The researchers employed a quantitative approach to quantify the trends, differences, and relationships of both types of loyalty. 30 participants in total are selected through random sampling to gain different insights and experiences. Questionnaire is used as an instrument to collect data from both behavioral and emotional type of loyalty, and it is supported by researches cited on Google Scholar. This is the graphical representation of all the average scores of each questions related to emotional loyalty. And based on the responses, perceived value and respect received the highest score, which is 3.93, demonstrating that customer service treat their customers with value and respect. Although the connection they feel after engagement with customer service have the lowest score, which is 3.27, still it's not that far. And based on the total average, which is 3.675, it is still higher or above neutral, implying that customers still gained a strong connection after they engage with customer service. And here we have the graphical representation of the average scores of all loyalty or behavioral loyalty type questions. Participants showed willingness to repeat their purchases based on the customer service experience. And the lowest is that their interactions after engagement with customer experience does not increase that much, having the score of 3.33. Still, they consider to repeat their purchase, which is the highest of 3.67, and the average score of all behavioral loyalty type questions is 3.48, which is also above neutral, implying that there is a change and effect on the behavior of customers whenever or after they engage with customer service. For this graph comparison, the average of emotional loyalty is 3.67, which is higher than the 3.48 total average of behavioral loyalty, indicating that there is a higher contribution in the emotional state of customers when they experience customer service. The 0.195 difference of both types of loyalty means that they are closely the same when it comes to affecting the loyalty of customers on the brand or the product or the service. And they're both moderate averages, means that they are both consistently give impact on the loyalty of customers, but it's not that strong. These are the trends identified after collecting data and analyzing it. First one is respect and validation is a huge factor in the loyalty of customers. And loyalty of customers is reinforced based on their engagement in customer service. Customers also consider to repeat their purchases when they engage with customer service. And both types of loyalty impact on the lifetime value of customers. Another one, both types of loyalty, which is behavioral and emotional, is both consistent in affecting the loyalty of customers. One of the challenge encountered in conducting this study is that the participants are hard to find because they rarely engage with customer service. But then the results showed that experiencing or engaging with customer service have effect on both behavioral and emotional state of customers. Survey-based data collection is selected because it effectively analyzes the two types of customers' loyalty. It is also effective in measuring the agreement of customers based on the statement provided on the survey. It is suitable in identifying the attitude and experiences of customers, which would help in distinguishing and at the same time comparing the emotional state and behavioral state of customers when they engage with customer service. The participants of this study is informed on how the data or their answers will be used for this research, and they are also informed that they have the right to withdraw in case they don't want to answer it, and they are anonymized. The questions are also created based on the objective of this research, and it is refined to capture the insights, the experiences, and the perception of customers on their behavior and emotion when they interact or engage with customer service.
In this study, we explored how customer service influences both emotional and behavioral loyalty. We found that emotional loyalty, driven by genuine connection and trust, leads to stronger and more lasting relationships. Meaningful service, which goes beyond rewards, has a significantly greater impact on customer retention. And customers who feel valued are less likely to switch to competitors, reducing churn and encouraging repeat business, ultimately fostering long-term loyalty and growth for the brand. In this study, we achieved several key goals. We explained the difference between emotional and behavioral loyalty, emphasizing that emotional loyalty is based on a deeper connection. We examined the impact of customer service using both theory and real-world data. And finally, we identified practical strategies to strengthen emotional loyalty, supported by feedback from ISP and online store customers, providing actionable insights for businesses to build lasting impressions. Training frontline employees in empathy helps them respond with care and understanding, which strengthens customer relationships. Having reliable systems ensures smooth service and making it easier for the customer to trust and stay loyal. And by balancing automation with a human touch, we can handle routine tasks efficiently while still giving customers the personalized attention that they need. Recognizing customer in small but meaningful ways, like remembering birthdays or sending thank you notes, makes them feel appreciated beyond just their purchases. Gathering feedback regularly allows us to identify pain points and improve emotional satisfaction. And by keeping our service consistent by ongoing staff training and quality checks, we reinforce customer trust and build lasting emotional connections. And for the conclusions, these strategies are effective in building both emotional and behavioral loyalty, which are essential for stronger customer relationships and long-term support for the brand. More importantly, emotional loyalty helps reduce customer loss for making people feel genuinely connected to the service, which increases the chances of them coming back and staying loyal over time.